Hi, that was my version of I Can't Be Satisfied by Muddy Waters for 3-string fretless cigar box guitar, played with the slide. I'm tuned to open G, G on the low, D in the middle, G on the high string. Okay, so the first note is I slide into 7 on the first string, and then hit the low G string. Instead of pinching together like so many of the songs we do, this one has a neat syncopated feel. Syncopated means there's notes that are important on the offbeat. Then 3, then open on the high string, and then open on the middle, and then 3 on the middle, I slide into that, and then open on the high string. I'll do that real slow. Okay, that second time I do it, which I just did, I hit the 3 twice so I don't hit the low string again. I'll play that part slow. 7, open low string, then 3 twice, and open high string. And then the same riff. 0 on the middle, 3 on the middle, open high string. It's a 12-bar blues, but each lick takes 2 measures, so you're going to play the lick twice. And then I go up to the 4 chord on the 5th fret, like that. So I start with the middle string, which is 5, and then the low string 5, and the middle again 5, and the high string 5. And then there's a descending run, which is 5 on the middle string. So I wouldn't just leave my slide there and then pick it again. I would go back and like, and then move my slide and come in. 3, 0, 3 on the low string. Then we go up to 7 and do the same feel we did on the 5th fret, starting with the middle string, then the low, then the middle, then the high. Okay, and then instead of going down to the chord, we play the run, which is 5, 3, 0, and then 3. After we've done that, we go back to the 1 chord and we play the lick, but we do a turnaround. Like that. So we play the first half of the lick, which is 1 measure, open low string, 3 again, open low string, and then open high string with that little riff, 0, 3, and then the high string. And I definitely slide into that 3. And then back up to the 7, 1 of the low strings. You can hit that twice or once, and then go to the 7th fret and play the chord. So from the 4, That's it. Have a great day.